Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you view all of your upcoming plans in more convenient place, from park reservations and lightning lane selections to dining reservations, mobile orders, hotel stays and virtual queue assignments. The My Plans section helps you stay organized throughout your Disneyland visit. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to view your plans in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for keeping your Disneyland organized. Okay, so first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account if needed, and then open My Plans. So inside the app, tap the menu or the three lines in your profile here, select My Plans. So you have to find the option of My Plans, the second one here. Okay, so you will see your upcoming Disneyland activities in one place. Okay, so review your upcoming plans. After that, like inside My Plans, you may find park reservations, lightning lane reservations, dining reservations, virtual queue assignments, hotel reservations. So everything is organized by date and time for easy viewing. Okay, so to see more information, tap any reservation or activity, review the date, time, location, and any additional details. This helps you prepare for your next year experience. Manage your plans, okay, and check My Plans like throughout the day. So as your visits continue or review upcoming reservations or reservation times. Watch for lightning lane or virtual queue updates. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.